Dear children, in this video we are going to learn about the decimals on arithmetic operation. So what is meant by arithmetic? Do you know that? The basic concepts are called as arithmetic operations. Yes, what are the basic concepts? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. All these are the basic operators in the mathematics. These are all called as arithmetic operators. First, we shall learn about how to add the decimals. Addition on decimal. So it is very simple. Just you have to follow the simple thing, the formation of the decimal. That is important. That's all. The remaining everything is very easy. So here we have two addends. Two addends. 67.907 78.67. Two addends are there. So first you can take the first addend 67 point, isn't it? So we have to write it 6 7, leave some space and write as usual 0.907. So for writing the first number, no problem. The next number, just you have to think that we have to keep the decimal point in the same place. We have 78.67. So the decimal place must be in same corner, and then we have a ones place. So that ones place we have 8. It's a ones place, we have to write 8 here. The tens place we have 7. So we have to write 7. So the whole number we have written. Then we can go for the decimal part. So 6, 7. Tens place 6 is there. So we have to write 6. After the decimal we have a number 6 and then we have 7. So we want to write it like this. And then in a normal way we have to add it. That's all. Here we don't have any number, isn't it? So for this we can use 0. If we don't have any number, this place can be filled by 0. Now you can add it. 7 plus 0. We have to add from the right side. That is as usual. As usual, not from the ones place. We have to add from the last digit. From the thousandths place. If we have any number there, we have to add from there. Okay, now we can add as usual. 9 plus 6, 15. The 1 is carry. So you can bring the carry over here. And then it is 16. Again we have a 1. We can write that 1. When you add this, we will get 14. Isn't it? Yes. So don't forget to keep the point. The point is important. The decimal point, no. This decimal point is important. It must be in the same line. So here again I have given the proper way of formation. In the same way we have to write it. So this is a answer of these two numbers. We will have another one example here. 36.83 more than 16.1. So we have the word more than. More than means the same. In the normal whole number also we have learned. More than 6 more than 5, 11. 3 more than 1 is equal to 4. So it's a addition. The same way we have to find it's a addition or subtraction. More than word is there, so it's a addition. Here we have one addend and we have the second addend. The same way, here also we have to think that the decimal point must be in the same place, and the ones place, tens place. This is tens place and hundred place. So we have to frame the number like this, and then we can add from the right side. 0 plus 3, 3. Then 8 plus 1, 9. And then don't forget to put point. Decimal point is important. And then as usual we can add and we can find the answer. 2, 4, 5. So this is a way to. Here I have given some addition, some evaluation part. Just you can pause this video and try to find out the answer for this. Next we shall go for subtraction on decimals. Subtraction, for this also we have to follow the same rules. The decimal point, that place must be same and the formation must be proper. Right side and left side we have to write properly, and then the empty places we can put 0. In the normal subtraction method we can subtract it. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 8, it is not possible, so we have to borrow 1 from here, and then it becomes 2. So like that we have to do it in a normal procedure. Here we have to subtract 12.376 from 13.88. So first from. So we have written 13.88. 88 alone we have to write first, and then you can write the next subtrahend. The smallest number you can write it here. I have written here, and then the empty place. This place we don't have 0 here, isn't it? But here we have a thousands place, so you must put 0. That is important. Here we don't have a 0, so we can write 88 alone. But when you are writing the second number, we don't have any number here, so just we have to place 0. That is important. And then 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we have to subtract. You have to borrow 1 from here, and we want to do the normal subtraction, but it must be the 0 must be placed here, and also we have to start from the right side and the thousands place itself. As usual you have to start from here. Here you no need to consider of this decimal, but the decimal point must be placed in the same line. That must be important. This is an answer. It's a difference between these two numbers. Here we have a next one. Next exercise. Take away 47.07 from 63.9. So how to write this? Let me explain you once again. First we can write the first number as usual, no problem. 9. I have written this number, and then when I am writing this number, first you can place the decimal point, and then you can write the left side numbers, and then you can write the decimal part numbers. Decimal part we have 0 and 7. So now here this place is empty. All the other place it has a number, but here we have it's a empty place. So just you want to place 0 here. And now we want to subtract with the normal method. Subtract it from the right side. We can subtract from the right side. 0, 7 is not possible. So we can borrow 1 from here. This becomes 8. This becomes 10 now. Now 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 0, 8. Then don't forget to place the decimal place as it is. Then 3 minus 5 is not possible. You can write 5 here, so we can write 13. Now 13 minus 5, 8. 5 minus 4, 1. So this is a difference between these two numbers. Do you understand, children?